Good morning everyone. In today's class, I will discuss third principle by Henry Fayol of management. As I told, there are 14 principles given by Henry Fayol about management. So, till today, I have discussed the name of all 14 principles. Also, I have discussed the description of starting 2 points, division of work, second, parity of authority and responsibility. Now, here is the third principle written. Third principle is discipline. As we know, discipline means following rules, regulation and proper code of conduct. Similar is the principle given by Henry Fayol. So, discipline refers to following code of conduct, rules, regulation of employment, good superior at all levels, clear and fair agreement among subordinate and superior, meeting commitments at all levels. As we know, there are 3 levels: top level, middle level, lower level. I have already discussed. Next, judicious application of penalties. So Henry Fayol insists that discipline is required at superior as well as subordinate level. According to Henry Fayol, there must be discipline at all the levels in management, at top level, middle level, lower level. So discipline means having proper code of conduct, means how to behave properly in our organization, how to follow rules. So everyone in organization, either at top level, middle level or lower level, must follow discipline. This is given by according to Henry Fayol, given by Henry Fayol. For example, employee must honor their commitment towards organization by working effectively and efficiently. On the other hand, superior must also meet their commitments by meeting their promise of increment, promotions, wage revisions, etc. Means everyone must be disciplined towards the job. Employees must follow all the rules and regulation of organization. Similarly, superior must also follow the commitments done by him or her about promising of increments, promotion, wage revision of workers. Next principle, fourth, I will discuss one more principle today. The principle here is unity of command. So everyone note the dictionary meanings of unity and command. Here unity means one, means single, command means instructions. So unity of command principle says there must be one instructor or one boss for every employee. There must not be many bosses or many instructors for a single employee. According to this principle, an employee should receive orders from one boss or superior. Underline this statement: employee must receive orders from one boss only and should be accountable to one superior only. Here accountable means answerable. Employee must be answerable or accountable to one superior or senior only, because if he or she is receiving orders from more than one boss, he or she will get confused. Yes, definitely you will get confused if you are having many bosses and they are saying different works to do, and will not be able to understand whose order must be executed first. For example, if an employee of production department is asked to go slow in production to maintain quality standard by the production in charge, and sales in charge instruct the employee to fasten the production to meet the pending orders. In this situation, both the conditions are differentiating with each other. Both our statements are contradicting each other. One production in charge is saying to fast the production for an employee, and other sales in charge is saying no, just fasten your production so that we can complete our orders, pending orders. In this situation, employee will get confused. Yes, definitely he or she will get confused, because whose order must be followed first. Okay, so unity of command principle says there must be one and only one boss or single boss for every employee. So these are two principles, third and fourth principle. Third is discipline, fourth is unity of command. So till today I have discussed 4 principles by Henry Fayol. Next I will discuss tomorrow. That's all for today. Just remember the names, also the description of all, because these are very very important principles. You can't skip them. Okay, so learn discipline properly and learn second unity of command also. There is a diagram which I will show in next video, unity of command diagram. Thank you.